If you've mastered the care of a freshwater aquarium, a marine community aquarium may be the ideal next step. Though it takes a little more commitment to keep fragile saltwater specimens healthy, the end result can be a dazzling display of marine fish from all over the world. Let's watch as we guide you through the setup of a marine aquarium.
To get started, locate the aquarium in a suitable location, away from direct sunlight and drafty rooms. Use clean water to rinse your aquarium, or clean it out with a damp cloth. Also, thoroughly rinse any decorations or accessories you plan to add. Add a background to mask the cords that will be hanging on the back of the aquarium. This also adds depth and a backdrop for your plants and fish. We've chosen a wet-dry filtration system with a protein skimmer for this setup. Install the wet-dry unit underneath the aquarium according to the manufacturer's instructions, as well as the overflow unit that hangs on the back of the tank. Next, install your water pump in the sump area of the wet-dry filter. Place the protein skimmer into the sump area as well. The model we're using requires no additional plumbing or pump. Next, prepare your salt water. Fill a 55-gallon container with clean water, preferably filtered through an RO unit, and add a dechlorinator, such as Stress Coat. Add salt mix to the water according to the manufacturer's directions. We also suggest you use a saltwater mixing kit, because it includes a power head to move and mix the water, and tubing to transport the water to the aquarium. Use a hydrometer to read how much salt is dissolved in the water. Your goal is 1.020 to 1.025 specific gravity. Next, rinse your live sand and add it to the aquarium floor. Use about 1 pound of sand per gallon of water the aquarium holds. Fill your aquarium halfway to the top. We're using our saltwater mixing kit to fill the aquarium. If you are adding any plants or decorations, add them at this time. Make sure to anchor the bases into the sand. Then, fill the aquarium to the intake level of the overflow unit. Start the overflow unit on the back of the aquarium. When the return pump is submersed with water, plug your equipment into a GFCI outlet to start your filtration and skimming systems. Make sure your cords have drip loops. Add your heater and thermometer and turn the heater on. An acceptable temperature range is between 72 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, add your canopy and lighting. Next, you must cycle the aquarium. Add a biological additive to the aquarium according to the manufacturer's directions. We're using Dr. Tim's One and Only. Let the entire system run for at least 24 hours to allow temperature to stabilize and to make sure all your equipment is working properly. Then, add a couple of hardy fish, such as damsels or chromis. Monitor temperatures daily to make sure they're not fluctuating. It could take up to 2 weeks to fully cycle the aquarium. After 72 hours, test your aquarium's alkalinity, pH, ammonia, and nitrite. If temperature and other water parameters are acceptable, you can begin adding more fish, a few at a time. Today, we're adding 2 clownfish, in 2 weeks, a flame angel, and finally, a flame hawkfish. Once your aquarium is established, it is important to perform regular water testing and water changes as part of your aquarium maintenance. You can find out how by visiting our library of articles online.
For complete information, be sure you print out our detailed instructions. Find all the products in today's video and in all our videos right here at Drs. Foster and Smith.